Here's a new 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. It comes with great features you love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Automatic with driver control suspension management. Engine auto stop start feature. Hands-free liftgate. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Wi-Fi hotspot. Dual zone climate control. Streaming audio. Power tilting steering column. Memory exterior door mirror settings. And automatic transmission. High style, high performance. Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.